All of my business over the last number of years has come inbound from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest B2B marketplace. If you're selling B2B, odds are your customers and your prospects are on LinkedIn, so you need to pay close attention to it. This is so important, and you want your salespeople to be involved on LinkedIn promoting your company as well through content. And you need to be the thought leader for your industry on LinkedIn as well. When someone's thinking about whatever your industry is and they want some advice or opinions, they want to think of you as the thought leader and go to your profile and see what you think, because they'll start to understand that you know what you're talking about. And that's really one of the key steps in building trust. So you want to develop a content strategy. You want to write good content that's targeted directly at your ideal customer, your ICP. You want to be consistent, and you want to reach out and make connections, because as you make connections, they'll start to see your posts and your content on LinkedIn, and they'll start to develop a relationship with you. What you don't want to do is connect with someone and then try to sell them your product or service. It doesn't work that way on LinkedIn. It's a social network, but it's a business social network. Typically, you don't ask someone on the first date to marry you that night. It happens. I actually got engaged within 6 weeks, but that even took a little bit of courting. And that's what you need to do with your prospecting on LinkedIn. Follow my process below, and I think that you'll find it's a much better approach. It's worked for me. As I said, all my business now comes inbound from LinkedIn and the outbound of just making connections with people that I can help. Don't overlook LinkedIn for your strategy for growing your business and your salesperson's outreach program as well. Let's keep going.